Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the Camper's Knot Tying Kit. Let's tie a knot. The sheet bend knot. This knot is tied by forming a bight in one rope and bringing the other rope end up through, then around the bight and back under itself. This is the basic knot for joining rope ends and works well for joining ropes of unequal size. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.